Hey everyone, how's everyone today? Got another eBay purchase to open up. This one I think you'll be pleasantly surprised and maybe even learn something. So let's get right to it. So as you can see, it's a Bobby Orr card, and not in bad shape for it being a card from the 70s. But as I pull it out here, you're going to notice something that maybe might look a little odd to you. And that's right. Bobby Orr did play for the Chicago Blackhawks. You might be thinking that he never played for the Blackhawks. This card must be a prank or some sort of mistake, but he actually played for the Blackhawks from 1976 to 1979, so just the span of 2 seasons, so the 76-77 season, and he came back for 78-79, only playing 26 games total for the Blackhawks, so not too much, but nevertheless, I thought this would just be quite the novelty item to add to my collection. So I'll get a close-up here for you. And one thing I do love about some of these older cards is some of the little quirky little nuggets of info that they put on the back. This one I can't quite read it, but it says Bobby has his own sports camp. Great. And these little fun little cartoons and things like that. So anyway, this card is a 1977-78 OPG Bobby Orr Chicago Blackhawks card, numbered 251. So put your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this card, and let me know if you were surprised to find out if Bobby Orr played for someone other than the Boston Bruins. Anyway, thanks again, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.